So I've done the part around this area here, and so we're done with this section of the parking. But just a reminder that you need to empty out this area in the middle here. We need to do that. So I haven't used a sketch to empty out the area in the middle here. And as you remember, in the 2020 Revit package, I've explained fully about the sketch and how to empty out the areas in the middle using the opening. And so I finished this up here. And so we have this message here. It's asking us about the highlighted walls that we have here. And it's asking whether we'd like to join the geometry and cut the overlapping volume of the walls. So here, if you see the join geometry, you'll click yes. And if you see attach, you'll click no. And so now the floor and the walls are automatically joined together. So after this, let's go to the 3D view. Let's go here and let's open this up like this. I'll pull this here towards this direction. And there we go. And then this one goes here. And there we go. So this one goes here. And then we zoom in and yeah, there it is. Just a second. So there we have it. So as you can see in the plan here, the framework is connected to the framework and the joinery is connected to the joinery as well. So let me go here and isolate the elements. And after that, I pull up the top view. And here we have the 60 by 60. Let me just put the 60 by 60 grade on this part as well. So I go here and then I'll click on this to open it. And then we go to the appearance tab here. Let's just take a look at the graphics first. So we open this up and we go to the model section. So here we'll make a new one and then we'll name it 600 by 600 tile. Select crosshatch here, put 0 for this one, and then 0.6 by 0.6 for this one. Then we hit OK and then OK. So I'll recolor it to this brown, this shade of brown. So I'll click on this texture alignment to see if they've lined up perfectly or not. Although because I've put the texture in the bump, it might not show it. It might show the hatching, but not the texture itself. And all right, looks good. So we hit OK here. So we hit OK here as well to close it up. And then we go in the plan and then we'll pull this down and then we'll click on hidden line. And as you can see, it's the same size that we see in the realistic view as well, which means we've done our job. So as you can see in the plan, this is how it looks like. And there it is. So this is the flooring for the first part of our job. And now we're going to go to the underground planning. And now we're going to be emptying out this area middle, like this part here and this one as well. So here I'll choose this vertical, and then I'll click on the floor here. So here I'll choose and select the rectangle tool, and I'll draw one from this point here down to this point here. After that, I hit the finish. And after we've done that, we go here and again I select this flooring part here, and then by clicking on it I draw this all around this area that we have right here. One here and then here as well. There you go. So after that we have one here as well, and then this one as well. So I'll be doing it the rest and then I'll continue with the explanations. So as you can see, I've emptied out this area here. So let's go to the 3D view to see it. And as you can see, this part here with this one and this one as well, they're all empty. So let me just pull this open and there you have it. So After this, we're going to do the flooring for the warehouse and the facilities and some other work like this part here in the stairs. It needs to come down a bit, and then we'll continue with the explanations later on.